Welcome to Pythonically. In this video, you are going to study logical operators in Python. Logical operators, as the name suggests, are used to perform logical operations on two or more than two operands. Logical operators also return a Boolean value. Either they return true or they return false. There are three types of logical operators in Python: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. AND operator is used to implement logical AND operation between multiple operands, and AND operator returns true if all the operands are true on which the AND operator is being operated. This is best explained with the help of an example. So suppose you have two variables, var1 which is 10 and var2 which is 20. You can use AND operator as follows. So you can check if var1 is greater than 5 and var2 is greater than 10. You can also wrap these conditions inside round brackets to be more clear. So here the AND operator is being implemented between two conditions. So var1 is greater than 5, var1 is 10, this condition returns true, and var2 is, which is 20, is also greater than 10, so this condition will also return true. Since both the conditions return true, the AND operator will also return true, and the code or the script that follows these this if statement will execute. So both statements are true, else print both statements are not true. So if you press shift and enter, you will see that both statements are true printed, because these two statements, this and this, both of them return true, and AND operator returns true when both of these operands return true. You can simply print the condition as well to check if this returns true or not. So you can simply pass these values here inside the print statement and see what they return. So you can see this returns true basically. So you can remove all of this part. In fact, you can create a new cell, and here you can check if this condition returns true or not, both of these conditions. So this is what the AND operator is. OR operator is used to implement logical OR operation. OR operator returns true if one of the statements that are being evaluated using OR operator returns true. So you can copy and paste it here, and you can put OR operator here. Now if any of these statements, this statement or this statement, returns true, the OR operator will return true. So you can simply write true here and false here. So if var1 is 10, we can write if var1 is greater than 20. Now this statement will return false, but since this statement still returns true, the OR operator or this complete condition will return true, and you will see true printed in the console. So if you press shift or enter, you can see true here. You can directly check if this condition returns true or not by simply copy and pasting it and storing the result in a variable where b is equal to this, and then printing where b. So you can see this statement, it basically returns true. Finally, you have NOT operator. NOT operator is used to invert any Boolean condition. So for instance, if a statement returns true and you apply a NOT operator on that, that will be converted into false. So since we know that this statement returns true, you can write it here, and you can apply a NOT operator on this condition. Now this statement where b will return false. So originally we know that this condition returns true, but when we apply NOT operator on that using this line of code, now this complete condition will return false, and false will be stored in var b. And now if you print var b, you should see false in the output. So this is how the logical operators work in Python. They're very simple to implement and to use, but they are very, very useful. So if you like this video, click the like button, and if you have any question to ask, you can ask that in the comment section. And finally, I would like that you subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making more videos for you. Thank you for watching.